Hi guys.
We are on our way to church. We're going for a crossover mass. Fireworks?
That's a tiger.
What tiger are you talking about?
No, it's a boat.
Yeah.
Again. The tiger. Tiger. I'm reading a story to my baby brother.
Okay, but soon put out the light when we start moving.
The tiger came. Oh. Daddy, Daddy got you.
Yay. Happy New Year! So welcome back to my channel. This is what I made for breakfast my New Year day. I'll call this my upgraded version of my jollof rice and grilled chicken. The ingredients are washed rice, prepared chicken for the grill, tomato paste, diced onions, diced green pepper, diced beef. My usual spice mix are curry, thyme, white pepper, ginger, seasoning cube, as well as black pepper. Please enjoy the video, give it a like, a thumbs up, and let's support the Unusual Mary family. Happy New Year once again. So here I'm adding oil to a hot pot, added some diced onions, and adding my spice mix as usual, just a bit now because I just want to stir fry the beef. So I'll stir fry the beef a bit for like, let's say 4 minutes. And now that it's a pale color, I'm taking it out of the pot. So I'm adding the remaining onions now to the pot, and I'll be adding my usual spice mix. To that I'll be adding the green pepper, tomato paste, and a bit of water to properly fry the tomato paste. So the tomato paste has been frying and cooking for a bit, and it's time to add a bit more water to the pot and the rice to start a proper slow cook. At this point I'll be turning down the heat completely and covering the pot so that the rice will steam till it's properly cooked. The chicken in the oven is coming out nicely. The rice is cooking down very nicely, and at this point I will stir it and add my stir-fried beef. Then I will cover the pot and allow the rice cook on a very low heat. It's finally ready. Breakfast is ready. The rice is looking so nice. It's properly cooked and it's dry, and the rice grains are all separated. The chicken too is ready and breakfast is served. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support the Unusual Mary family. Subscribe, share the videos with your friend, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and see you in my next one. Happy New Year!